Hi, welcome back to another episode of Farmhouse series. As you can see, I have something lined up for you, and oh my god, have you ever seen ducklings swimming? Stick around for more. First of all, guys, if you remember these chicks in our previous video, they were so tiny. They were only about 3 weeks old, and it was cold. They were put in a separate shelter, and right now, as you can see, they are about 6 weeks old, and they are bursting with energy. Clearly, they've been feeding well and they're growing up well. Also, do you remember in a certain video, there are some chicks that I had put in a basket and they were outside basking? These are them now. They are now like 2 months old and they look so cute and healthy and all grown up. 6 of them. And here is the section for the grown-up chicken. Let me say that about a month ago we sold 12 cocks, and we don't need to have a lot of cocks in the farmhouse, so we'll be selling the moment we have mature cocks. We will be just getting rid of some of them, and then we focus more on the eggs. And right now we are producing about 15 eggs in a day. And as we move forward, we hope to just be collecting more and more eggs. So yeah, if you need supply of eggs, just let me know. On to my most favorite part of this video. Finally, these duck hatched some ducklings. As you can see, there are about 6 of them, and they're so tiny and so cute. And guess what, guys? They are even swimming. Look at them. Like, this is such a sight to behold. They're so cute and just swimming and enjoying themselves and happy to be in this world. Just look. This other duck is still trying to hatch its eggs. It takes about 42 days, so let's just wait and see them. This farmhouse has about 200 chicken. We have 40 eggs that are being incubated right now, and we have about 4 ducks. As you can see, there are about 4 ducks in the farmhouse, and they have managed to produce 6 ducklings, and we are waiting for more soon. And then we also have 4 milk goats, as you've seen, and yeah, we hope to continue growing slowly. Papa nini?
Look at